Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a delicious dessert recipe that's made with mango. Thick, creamy and delicious Sabudana mango pudding. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this delicious Sabudana mango pudding. I'm using about half a cup of sabudana and first I'm going to soak it. So take a bowl and add enough water and we're going to let this soak for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Let's check it now. Looks like the sabudana has become soft. So I'm just quickly going to check it and it breaks easily. So it's soaked well. Now we'll get cooking. So first we're going to add about 3 cups of milk. Take a wide pan like this that gives more surface area for milk to boil. So keep the flame on medium to medium low and we are going to let this milk come to a good boil and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. This looks good. Now I'm simply going to drain all the water and we'll drop the soaked sabudana into our milk. Give it a really good mix. Let this mixture cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on a medium-low flame. Start adding sugar. I've used half a cup. Some dry fruits and I'm using almond slices and raisins. You can use any of your choice. Some saffron strands to give a little flavor and cardamom powder for that amazing aroma. Give everything a really good mix. I'm just going to cook it for another minute or so. Now we can switch off the flame and look at that. Our sabudana is cooked so well it has become transparent just like we wanted. This is great. Let this cool off. In the interim, I'm going to peel some fresh mangoes and I'm using 4 mangoes. So just use the pulp. I'm just simply mashing it. Just keeping it little chunky like this. Now our sabudana and milk mixture has cooled off nicely and notice that it has also become little extra thick. Now let's drop our mango pulp. Make sure that your sabudana milk mixture is completely cooled off before you add mango, otherwise your milk can curdle. Here I added some extra cold milk just to get a better consistency. Looks great. Just mix everything well and refrigerate it for an hour or so before serving. Look at that, the consistency, the texture looks perfect. Just dig in. A perfect summer dessert that you should definitely give it a try if you have not yet. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.